Assalamu alaikum. This is Hazi Qayyum Chauhan. I am here to discuss COVID-19 attack on Earth. Firstly, we start what is COVID-19. COVID-19 is a family of viruses that cause sickness like common cold. It is an infectious disease that is emerged from Wuhan, China at end of December 2019. The spread of COVID-19 in all continents has shaken the economy of the world without any discrimination of rich or poor countries. World Health Organization has issued a statement to world to take a severe pandemic and take all necessary precautions to deal with it. Coronavirus infection is caused by severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2. Severe acute respiratory syndrome, Middle East respiratory syndrome, and swine acute diarrhea syndrome infections have emerged in 2003, 2012, and 2017, respectively, that have already taken thousands of lives in the world. Scientists have warned the world about COVID 19 before its emergence time by time. On March 2, 2019, Chinese Academy of Science Research is published that warns the world about emergence of novel coronavirus in China from bats. Bill Gates has also warned the world about corona pandemic 5 years ago in 2015 by relying on the facts of increase in the family of coronavirus syndrome year by year. While world does not take serious to the warnings of scientists about pandemic and face present situation that has become out of control. What are the symptoms of COVID-19? The people infected by coronavirus show common symptoms as following from fever, tiredness, and dry cough. Some patients may also have these symptoms like itches and pains, nasal congestions, runny nose, sore throat, and diarrhea. These symptoms gradually develop in infected ones. It is quite possible that immune system of some people does not allow virus to show its symptoms. About 80% infected people recover without any treatment. As per World Health Organization report, 1 out of 6 patients get seriously ill. Old people and people having medical ailment history are mostly exposed by this virus. How it spread? Coronavirus spreads from person to person, mainly from droplets of infected people when they speak, sneeze, or cough. The droplets are usually heavy and only travel up to 1 meter of distance and settles down on surfaces. The main part of body that is usually exposed to the surfaces and our face is hand. It can become a cause of spread of virus when it gets contact with eyes, nose or mouth. How we can save ourselves from this virus? There are some precautions that will save from the virus. Regularly wash your hands with soaps almost every hour. Use sanitizers if water or soap is not available. Use tissue papers for cleaning of hands after wash. Dispose all masks and gloves after use. Divert your attention by reading books or praying. Cover your face with elbow when sneeze or cough. Avoid touching eyes, nose or mouth. Myths on COVID-19, and there are some people who talk about uh, that relate Kashmir issue with Kashmir lockdown with COVID-19. Muslims community in many parts of world believes, especially in Pakistan, that current situation of COVID-19 pandemic is punishment by Allah Almighty due to world silence on Kashmir lockdown, especially silence of Muslims world on brutal and ruthless behavior of non-Muslims towards Muslims. It's only Allah who knows whether it is our punishment or artificially produced as biological weapon from some country. Most important question is how media perform in this situation. World has seen various pandemic in form of H1N1 flu, SARS, MERS, and swine flu. In 1918, Spanish flu H1N1 flu has taken about 10 million lives. SARS, MERS, and swine flu have taken thousands of lives. One main myth is spread of COVID-19 is that is one of the main reasons in spread of fear and increase of death toll in present situation. World Health Organization recommends world to keep their hands away from contaminations. Therefore, people are avoiding handshakes and keeping them away to touch contaminated surfaces. In the situation of lockdown in different parts of world, people are keeping themselves up to date from electronic media channels. News channels are providing 24 hours non-stop updates on coronavirus. The brutal aspect of these 24 hours non-commercial updates is affecting general public. In this digital era, social media has become an elementary part of human lives. Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, and Instagram have turned the world into global village. 500% elevation in the profits of social media platforms in last 1 month due to lockdown in world have shown their importance. Unfortunately, fake images and news on social media platforms are creating panic situation in the world. At the end, I will concluding my topic that media platforms, either print media, electronic media, or social media, should play pivotal role in eradications of COVID-19 pandemic. The positive role will be remembered in history and will help humans to combat the after effects of coronavirus to return to original life after its eradication. People should keep social distancing and isolate themselves for avoiding contact with infected people. People should also follow basic cleanliness rules for safety of themselves and their loved ones. The end, my message to all to please stay home, stay safe. May Allah shower His blessings to save the world, especially Muslims, from pandemic. Allah Hafiz.